Welcome to WHITEBOARD Project Management YouTube channel. This is a 2 minutes daily project management practice program. In this program, we do something different. We will take a practical example of project management and we will go through it, explain the tools and techniques used in this example, and deliver it to you in 2 minutes. Stay connected, subscribe to the channel, and let's start the session. Episode 3. Question of the day. You are a project manager managing a construction project which is halfway through the execution. The project is progressing well and is on schedule when a vendor calls to inform you that there will be a 1-week delay in delivery of the product. This is due to an unforeseen labor dispute at their company. Which of the following documents would best capture the impact of the delay on the project schedule? A. Network diagram. B. Procurement management plan. C. Work breakdown structure. D. Risk register. So let's first think about the scenario. So you are a project manager. You are managing a project, a construction project, which is going well. Everything is on schedule. And suddenly the vendor calls to inform that there will be a 1-week delay. So there will be a delay. Now, if we go through the definitions of the 4 answers provided, so the best answer to select is A, network diagram. The reason is because the network diagram explains the scope and explains the time impact and what activities are connected to the same scope, means to the same task. The procurement management plan shows the procurement of the items, means everything. Now, in this case, the vendor is already, the services or the product is already ordered from the vendor. And this is explained in the procurement management plan. The work breakdown structure shows only the steps and the tasks under which scope. The risk register is defining the risk of the task defined. So the first answer is A, network diagram is the correct answer, and explanation. A project network diagram captures the project schedule and would be the best document to reflect the impact of a delay on a vendor deliverable. The work breakdown structure shows that the work is in the project, but doesn't focus on how long it should take. That's why it's not selected. The risk register would show an increase in project risk, but wouldn't help to determine the impact of the delay on the project schedule. So I hope that today's simple question helps you to explain what is the network diagram and what are the important reasons to create the network diagram. Thank you for watching this episode. And if you like it, you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You can also subscribe to WPM social media. Thank you. See you in the next episode.